many things you can only find here. Plus, there's the world's best assortment of Disney merchandise, including all of the must-have 50th anniversary celebration merchandise from the theme parks and more. And when it comes to food, you'll find lots of awesome dining for every palate, including some hot spots run by celebrity chefs. And check this out. Many table service restaurants here will feature a special 50th anniversary. We'll even take a tasty look at Disney dining and a world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment metropolis and beyond. First, if you haven't already, be sure to download the free My Disney Experience app. It's a great way to make theme park reservations, get attractionainment. This is the place to play, with everything from bowling to ballooning, even this. And when the hour gets a bit later, there's still even more fun to be had. Come indulge in the unexpected side of your Walt Disney World vacation, here at Disney Springs. The place that has happily whatever you're after. Thanks for coming along on our whirlwind or your 50th. Come explore all that awaits you here at the world's most magical celebration. Because when you celebrate with us, nothing could be more magical. And you could not have picked a better time to be here. Because the moment you arrived, you became part of a celebration 50 years in the... Let's head over to Magic Kingdom Park, where storybook fantasy becomes everyday reality. Thrill rides. Welcome to Walt Disney World Resort. This is the most magical place. It became part of a celebration 50 years in the making. See Cinderella Castle like you've never seen it before. Magnificently decorated for the 50th anniversary. 50 characters cast in gold and displayed across the theme parks. The celebration even lights up with wonder as all 4 theme park icons transform into magnificent beacons of magic. And here are a few more things you definitely don't want to miss. Come soar through the skies aboard Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Shove off for swashbuckling adventures with Pirates of the Caribbean. And scare up the nerve to end train. Thrill seekers, prepare to challenge Florida's only mountain range. Splash Mountain, an unforgettable log flume ride with quite the final drop. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, also known as the wildest ride in the wilderness. And Space Mountain, where you'll blast off for the far reaches of the galaxy. Don't miss the ultimate grand finale to your Magic Kingdom day. This is Disney Enchantment, an all-new nighttime spectacular unlike anything Disney has ever done. Featuring breathtaking fireworks, captivating Disney music. This is Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. A natural wonderland that's absolutely alive with magic. Now, here are a couple of tasty tips. You can make advanced dining reservations at most Disney table service locations, right on your My Disney Experience. Really out of this world. Pandora, the world of Avatar. Here among breathtaking floating mountains, adventures await. Over at Disney's Hollywood Studios, you can actually live some of your all-time favorite adventures. From Star Wars to Toy Story and so... Welcome to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This is an entire land that completely immerses you in the Star Wars saga. Think you've got what it takes to help fly the fastest hunk of just data pad? Now, come take a ride on the cartoon side. All aboard for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway. Disney Springs shopping is the brands you love, and brands you're about to discover you love. There are so many things you can only find here. Plus, there's... Enjoy a Yuletide extravaganza unlike any other during the holidays. Indulge in a festival of all kinds for high score on Toy Story Mania. Celebrity sightings are pretty common at this park. Of Gusteau's famous Paris restaurant on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. This 4D family-friendly attraction is brand new in Epcot and a big part of the world's most magical celebration. Wait, this just in. Nemo is lost. Again. Don't worry, get my Chevrolet. Put your car through its paces as you reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. Train picks up speed as you race to avoid the mythical Yeti that lurks within the mountain. Yikes! Sing along with Simba and all the residents of the Pride Lands at a celebration of Festival of the Lion King. This dazzling Broadway-style show features the classic songs from the film that you remember so well. The world's most magical celebration will have your senses soaring with Disney Kite Tales, as favorite Disney characters take flight in this all-new high-flying performance. Tour of Walt Disney World Resort, home to 4 amazing theme parks filled with things you're going to love, plus a distinctly Disney water park. We'll even take a tasty look at Disney dining and a world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment metropolis. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the things you've just got to see and do, both inside the parks and beyond. First, if you haven't